In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who joined your Google Meet call. If you've ever wondered how to quickly confirm who's in your meeting and how many people are connected, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll use the built-in People panel in Google Meet so you can check attendance in seconds and keep your meeting running smoothly. Start by joining your meeting as you normally would. You can join from your browser or the app, either way works. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, especially if your organization uses multiple profiles, because the interface and certain controls can vary depending on your role. Once you're in the call and your audio and video are set, you're ready to check who's there. Look toward the upper right corner of the meeting window for the People icon. It typically looks like a small silhouette or a group of heads, and it may be labeled People or Show Everyone. Click it to open the Participants panel. If your window is small or you're in a minimized layout, move your cursor to the top area to reveal the toolbar. Opening this panel slides out a list on the right side that shows everyone currently in the meeting. You'll notice a number badge on or near the People icon, and the same total appears at the top of the panel. That number is the live count of participants in the call, and it updates in real time as people join or leave. This count usually includes you, so keep that in mind if you're reconciling numbers. In the panel itself, you'll see the list of attendees by display name. For larger meetings, scroll to view everyone and use the search field at the top of the panel if it's available to quickly find a specific person. If someone connects from more than one device, you may see them listed more than once, and they will be included in the total each time. When someone drops off the call, the count decreases right away. A few helpful notes as you use this view. If you don't immediately see the People icon, expand your meeting window or exit full screen presentations, as the control bar can hide in compact layouts. The icon and list may look slightly different on mobile, but the concept is the same. Open the People view to see the attendee list and the live count. And if you need detailed attendance for record keeping, some organizational editions of Google Meet offer downloadable attendance features. Availability depends on your account. That's all you need. Join your meeting, open the People panel, and read the live count and attendee list. Simple, fast, and accurate.